Have you ever wondered if there's a way to grow your money without the constant stress of tracking the market or making daily decisions? Imagine a simple, hands-off approach to investing that lets your money work for you, even while you're busy with other things. That's where Raiz one-time investment comes in. Raiz one-time investment is a unique investment strategy that allows you to make a single, lump sum investment and let it grow over time. It's like planting a seed and watching it flourish without having to tend to it daily. How does it work? When you make a one-time investment with Raiz, your funds are automatically diversified across a range of assets, including stocks, bonds, and property. This diversification helps to reduce risk and increase your potential returns. Key benefits of Raiz one-time investment. Simplicity, no need for complex financial knowledge or daily market analysis. Accessibility, start investing with as little as $10. Flexibility, choose from a variety of investment options to suit your risk tolerance and financial goals. Automation, your investment is automatically managed, saving you time and effort. Potential for growth, over time, your investment can grow through market appreciation and dividend income. Real-life examples. Let's look at a few examples of how Raiz one-time investment can work in practice. Example 1. John has a $5,000 bonus. He decides to invest it in Raiz for his child's future education. Over the years, the investment grows steadily, providing a significant financial cushion for his child's college expenses. Example 2. Maria has a small emergency fund she wants to put to work. She invests it in Raiz and lets it grow. The investment provides her with a sense of security and financial stability. Is Raiz one-time investment right for you? Raiz one-time investment is a great option for anyone who wants to start investing without the hassle of active management. However, it's important to consider your financial goals and risk tolerance before making a decision. Tips for getting started. Set clear goals, determine how much you want to invest and what you hope to achieve with your money. Choose the right investment option, select an investment option that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Be patient, investing is a long-term endeavor. Don't expect immediate results. Stay informed, keep up to date on market trends and your investment performance. Raiz one-time investment offers a simple, accessible, and potentially rewarding way to grow your money. By making a single, lump sum investment and letting it work for you, you can achieve your financial goals without the stress of daily market monitoring. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.